Want to run GPT OSS 20B or GPT OSS 120B locally without relying on OpenAI's API? Today, I'll show you how to use 3 powerful tools to make that happen. In case you missed it, OpenAI has released 2 open-source versions of its GPT models, GPT OSS 20B and GPT OSS 120B. These are capable public models you can run locally for reasoning, writing, coding, and more. First up, OpenRouter. If you don't want to run the models yourself, OpenRouter lets you use GPTOSS via a simple API. No GPUs required, it's plug and play, perfect for devs building apps with an API key. Next up, Ollama. This tool is magic. Just install it on Mac OS or Linux. It downloads and runs the model right on your machine. You can use it via CLI or connect it with a front end like OpenWebUI for a full chat experience. I tested GPTOSS 20 billion in Q4KM format on my device and it worked like a charm. If you want full control, go with Hugging Face Transformers. Download the model, load it with Automod for Causal LM, and run it with PyTorch or DeepSpeed on an RTX 3090 S20B ran smoothly at around 20 tokens per second. The bonus, you can fine-tune, quantize, or serve via APIs using library, like text generation inference or VLLM. So whether you want plug and play, full flexibility, or cloudless inference, these 3 tools make it possible to run GPTOSS models on your own terms.